Hey guys, well, I'm getting ready to paint. I got my deck all finished up. I did it last fall, and I used the molasses on this. I didn't sandblast it, and it soaked it for about a month. It did a really good job. Pressure washed it, it took all the rust off. It just left some pits behind, and I filled those in with JB Weld, just so that when I paint it, it doesn't look like it's all pitted, and it'll keep the water from kind of sitting in it. But that's the deck. I'll show you. There's the bottom of it. It's pretty clean. That did a good job. You know, like I said, it took about a month, and it even loosened up all the old paint. So when I pressure washed it, it came completely clean. You just got to be patient. But something this size, it was a lot easier than sandblasting. So I hate sandblasting. But anyway, so that's it. There's the deck, and I got a bunch of small parts too that I'm going to paint with it. So it'll be white. I'll epoxy prime it, and then I'm going to paint it white. Let me show you the other parts that I got. Right here, my little workstation, and those are all the rest of the parts. So I'm just going to wipe them off with some reducer and get them ready for paint, and prime them and paint them. And then I should be done. I'm just going to, you know, put this together, and this will be finished at least. So the whole thing will be done. I just want to show you what else I got. I found a set of original headlights for my Cub Cadet. These are from the early 60s, late 50s, early 60s. International Harvester used these. These are 4-inch buckets, so, and they're made in the USA. So these are the correct headlights for the tractor. In fact, these were yellow when I got them, so they definitely came off a Cub Cadet. Well, I'm all done with the primer. I got it all epoxy primed, and I was just test fitting the pieces to see how they'd fit. It's all done. I did 2 coats of paint. I wet sanded the epoxy primer just to give it a little better finish. Here's the bottom. The bottom, I just wanted to paint it so it's sealed. The top I wet sanded a little bit. Once I put all the pieces on it, and you know, the spindles and the covers and all that, it's gonna look pretty good, and the decals. And then here's the other parts, the wheels and stuff, and then here's the spindles, and I just left this stuff painted gray with the epoxy primer, so I thought it would look better.